Estate agents help increase a property's market value. By comparing your services to their work, you're implying that clean windows and gutters not only improve a property's look, but may also contribute to its value. And this adds an extra layer of appeal to your service. So, is it worth having an estate agent on the books, or is it just a waste of time? Well, you'll have to just keep watching the video to find out. Okay, so I'm at this property today, clearing out the gutters and cleaning the windows. The windows don't actually look too bad. Let me just spin this around and show you. Little bits of dirt on there. Nothing too major. I haven't taken a proper look at the gutters, but they don't look like they're overflowing. I'm going to send the drone up in a minute and take a look at that. And then we're going to get to work on clearing and cleaning this property. First up, we're unpacking the mighty Panther from Gutter Vacuum Systems. This isn't just any piece of equipment, it is an absolute weapon for clearing gutters and an unsung hero of my cleaning arsenal. As I'm tackling these gutters, it's not just about removing leaves and debris, it's about restoring flow and function. Now we're bringing clarity back to these windows. We're not just removing dirt, we're enhancing views and letting the light in. Kind of like my journey on this channel, whether it's a motorcycle adventure or a lifestyle tip, it's all about seeing the world a little clearer. And just like that, my work here is done. But it's more than just packing up. It's about leaving a mark of excellence and moving on to the next challenge. As I'm putting everything away, I'm already thinking of the next adventure, the next transformation. So, is it a good idea to have an estate agents on the books? I don't see why it's a bad thing for expanding your business, especially if you have a few that can provide you with regular work. Obviously, it's not always guaranteed. I would not go into business just having or working for estate agents, but it could be a great way to get more work. So if you've got an estate agent and let's say 10 to 15 people work in that estate agents, and even if you close one job with one of the people that work there, then you're on to a winner, because the estate agents can give you work, you're getting other work from the people that work there, and I think it's a great way to do business, especially with small businesses, if the estate agent is just a small business. But if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out this other video here.